Groves decides to make it interesting. And Higgins up to the 2 spot from the back of the pack. Groves with the nice, oh, how to move up.
Oh my God.
That's infinite there. Taylor in the 1 spot. Oh, and Taylor's got headlights on that thing now. Yeah, each qualifier that goes by gets a little more realistic, a little more racing. Higgins really the 2 spot, coming overtaken by Brian Groves. And Matt Higgins in the 4.
Come on.
Almost made a pass on him, backed off a little bit.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, anything else with the keeper. 350 to go.
Running the 1, doing the 2. Higgins. I'm not sure who's a lap down or not. Then Lance. Chase just jumped into the 3. What? No, he crashed. No, Brian does. And Lou is in 2nd. No. Now Lance is back in 2.
Yeah, you can actually make a 3 spot out.
Yep.
Taylor back in the 2, Groves in the 1. Groves lands in the triple at the corner table. Keep an eye on Jason Newton. He's trying to catch up to Lance Taylor. Looks like Taylor gets a little more room over Jason Newton. 2.7 seconds separating Lance and Newton. Groves in the middle of the track. Has to step down. Lance on the left chicane. Jason Newton on the left chicane. 3.8 seconds back. Lou Higgins right behind Jason Newton. So Lou's trying to make a move.
Oh God.
Getting on a.k.a. step down. Lou Higgins up to the 3. And Newton.
Oh no.
Rolling over to some curving at the corner table.
Oh no. He did all 360. Oh my God. Lou's cracking up too.
I heard something mumbling over there or something. Wow, 18.6 fast time for Brian Groves. About a second faster than anybody else out here. Next fastest time is going to belong to Jason Newton and Lou Higgins. Over Matt Higgins, which is out there at 19.8. Higgins, Matt, that would be only at 19.9 right now. So that is who's dealing with condition 7. So far, it's looking at Brian Groves, Taylor in the 2 spot. Jason is really looking for it, adding in the 5. Everybody pretty set out right now? No close eyes on the track. Stay right there. done. Car 1 is done. Car 5 is done. Car 2 is done. Car 3 is done. All right, guys, that'll be ready. Brian Brooks takes it with the 1610. Lance Taylor 1504. Jason Nixon 1509. Matt Higgins 1514, followed by Lou. That's going to be 81. Two Sportsman 75. Okay. You guys are up.
What, 2:30? 2:30 the game's done? Three? You got time to go get a bottle of tequila? Huh?
Careful, Mr. Bull. Triple guys.
I don't put my shooting shorts. What do you want?